Hi, and welcome to the Rhode Island Computer Museum. Today, we're going to be learning how to build robots. These items should be included in your robot building kit. Attach motors and wheels as shown in the video. These are the components you'll need for the wiring portion. First, connect the red to red and black to black wires on the battery pack. Then wire the motors one backwards and one correctly, red to red and black to black. Then connect the black wires from the motors to the same row as the black wire from the battery pack. Then place the red wires coming from the motors to each side of one button. Then connect each of the other sides of the buttons to the same row as the red wire coming from the battery pack. And now your controller is finished. Press the right button to turn the car left, and press the left button to turn the car right. To go forward, press both buttons. Thank you so much for joining us.